10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get going! All right. Oh, that's what I call spinning around. All right, next competitor, number 0, Amber Bourgeois. Oh, nice shot. Next competitor, George Dover, 327.
Yeah, that's great.
Oh, nice shot, Randy Bourgeois.
It's like a nice cheap. Patrick, they're trying to last the longest. They're not trying to hit.
All right, 192, top dog. We have Jason Raker in the 192 car. Oh! That was a close one. 101, Kevin Merritt. Again, the rules for the Royal Rumble, you got to be the last man standing after making a hit after a minute. 60 seconds, they have to make contact. Just crunched in on the 192. 614's